Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics, grade 5. Our today's topic is practice of triangles. In our last lesson, we studied about the different type of triangles. There were 6 types of triangles. We studied the definition of triangle and the types of triangle. There were 6 types of triangles. Three triangles are according to their sides, and the 3 types are according to the angles. Today we will study about the measurement of different triangles, and we will study about their congruency. Please open page number 911. Measure the side of each triangle to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Then describe the number of congruent sides. Means we will measure the given triangles and we will see how many sides are equal. Question number 4. A triangle is given. We will measure the sides with the help of a scale. One side is 2 cm, other side is 2 cm, and the third side is also 2 cm. In the given line, we will write the triangle has 3 congruent sides because all are equal of 2 cm each. Now we will study about the figure. In question number 5, we will measure the 3 sides one by one. One side is 4.2 cm, other side is 3 cm, third side is also 3 cm. We can see that the 2 sides are equal, 3 cm and 3 cm. Third side is different, that is 4.2 cm. We will write our observation in the given line. The triangle has 2 congruent sides because 2 sides are of 3 cm. Question number 6. We are going to measure the 3 sides. One side is 4 cm, second side is 2 cm, third side is 3 cm. We can see that all sides are different. No one is the same. We will write the triangle has no congruent sides. No sides are equal, all are different. Next number is 7. One side is 1 cm, second side is 2 cm, and the third side is 2.2 cm. In this triangle, also the 3 sides are not same. We will write the triangle has no congruent sides because all are of different size. Now my dear students, in homework, you will complete this page number 911 from questions 4 to 7. You will measure with the help of your scale and write the measurement of 3 sides, and you will write the observation how many sides are congruent, or one side are congruent or 2 sides are congruent according to the measurement of the triangles. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.